Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating the essentials, so sign into your Xbox or Microsoft account and confirm your connection is steady. This prevents corrupted upload attempts. Once done, check Forza Horizon 5 server status and ensure local storage has room for save files because full drives block sync. Then quit the game completely, perform a clean restart of your console or PC, and reopen the game with Ethernet or strong Wi-Fi to force an initial fresh sync attempt. Now you tackle conflicts. Check timestamps on local versus cloud saves so you decide which to keep, understanding that avoids accidental loss. If the game lists a conflict, export an offline backup on PC or clear the local save cache on Xbox while keeping the cloud copy safe. Next, go into the game's save or account settings and explicitly choose to upload local save to cloud or download the cloud save to local storage, because forcing the action resolves many stuck sync states. Finish by verifying network stability. Restart your router and set NAT to open, or test an alternate network or mobile hotspot to confirm it isn't your ISP. Make sure you back up saves before reinstalling the game, because a fresh install can clear problematic local data. If sync still fails, collect game logs and save timestamps, then contact Xbox or Forza support with those details. One key troubleshooting tip: try temporary offline play to create a new local save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.